If you recall, this is the point which we were discussing, that there has to be something more meaty which has to come from the analyst meeting beyond just standard communication that look, the FMCG business has become big, the other businesses are bouncing back, and we are in an upturn in terms of the hospitality business. Well, the management has said that we are open to a demerger, but that has been the stated intention. There was nothing specific in terms of a timeline, there was nothing specific in terms of the process, and there was nothing specific which, at least the feeler which I got when I spoke to a few folks who attended the analyst meeting, that there is a timeline which has been committed. But yes, the management for sure now, you would imagine, that is now getting more and more cognizant, more and more more and more focused on shareholder returns, because typically when you're trying to communicate to analysts and investors, the messaging is that the company is doing well, FMCG business is bouncing back, return ratios will expand, and ITC is no longer just a cigarette company. There are other businesses also which are doing rather well. While cigarette will be the mainstay, it is the cash cow, it will be a high cash cow, it's a high return business. But this entire stepmotherly treatment, I'm using that word once again, stepmotherly treatment what ITC has got because of its presence in the tobacco business, I guess the management now wants to be very forthright in indicating that don't just call us a tobacco company, because we have other businesses also, and sooner than later we want to demerge them. Now that's all good and that's all is well appreciated, but if for those who are expecting something dhasu, something big, something bumper to come out specifically from the analyst meet on that front, I guess the communication has been very standard and it has nothing new.